Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is free audit of the website mybeautifulbride.co.uk. I'm on the homepage and I really love the logo, the sliding images, the user-friendly top navigation, which is perfect. I would give more time when it comes to changing the images, at least 7 seconds, because mm people might want to have more time to really see the detail of each photograph, and perhaps adding a call to action such as um, see the full collection, see the full gallery could also help you improve your SEO, so the click-through rate, and obviously the conversion rate as well. So you can either link to the individual gallery, to individual event with the pictures, or to the contact page, so people can contact you regarding this photo and see if they can arrange similar looking photography for their own event. So this definitely will help to convert your visitors better. But you've got a bit of text here about contact me as well, so that's perfect. The featured images also look great, however the text is quite difficult to read against busy background, so perhaps adding an extra layer between the text and the image will make the text easier to read, which will as a result make your website more accessible, more user-friendly, and obviously improve your SEO, because user experience is very important for SEO. Okay, this is my portfolio link, so that's perfect. About my beautiful bride, link into your to your About Us page. Okay, that's great. I would optimize this text with more paragraph breaks, perhaps every 2 or 3 sentences, so there's no like block of text, and obviously break any lengthy text like that with hashtags, with bullet points, with bolded out phrases as well. The photo navigation looks great. The Instagram feed also looks fantastic. And you open the links in new tabs, which is excellent. The portfolio page looks great, however, I would make the images slightly bigger and link them to the relevant collections, to the relevant event, to the relevant pages where people can see more about each of these events, see the photos. So while they look great, but obviously you want to convert them, you want people to click them and see more photos, or click them and contact you as well. And also with images like that, it's beautiful, but it kind of loses all the appeal because it's so small, people don't see what this image is all about. So perhaps showing it in less detailed grid will work much better for your conversion. So instead of showing 4 or 5 images per row, consider showing 2 up to 3 images per row, like 2 images if they're in this kind of what it's called, I think it's called vertical layout, and 2 images per row if it's horizontal layout. Okay, wedding info is nicely organized. I would rename it as wedding packages, so this is much more straightforward, so people know that these are packages that they can book. But there's no calls to action, just link to prices. So it would be much better to have calls to action directly on this page, so people can see, obviously you've got prices, so people can see the prices for each package and how to order, which will be much more likely, because it feels like this is a little bit, I mean, the images are great, but this is a little bit like people have to really guess how to contact you, how to request the package, how to find the prices. So making it much more straightforward will definitely help your conversion rate further. About us page is really nicely optimized. It would be much better to show actually your photo here because people want to see who is going to photograph, who is going to arrive at obviously at their wedding, and who are they going to deal with. So definitely. Adding your own photo will add this kind of trust signal, will build your authority, will build a rapport, which is very important in this particular niche. The reviews page is really nicely optimized as well. And I would also link to the individual venue pages so people can click and see the photos from each of these venues as well. And the contact us page looks really good. So you've got address, you've got email address, which is hyperlinked, and telephone number. If I could have only a small suggestion, this page looks great. You can also activate this phone number. Many people use free apps to call, especially on desktop. So you can activate so people call you through WhatsApp, or people message you through WhatsApp, or I think FaceTime as well can be activated using FaceTime. So this will be further extra convenience for people to click and message you right away, which will help to improve your conversion rate as well. Your SEO score is only 49 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. Seems like the hashtags you currently use are like lengthy sentences, which definitely can affect your SEO score. It should be simple, few words phrases like in this example or this example. Don't use hashtags too for the paragraphs because it will definitely affect your SEO. So make sure to use normal paragraphs and hashtags as those kind of short taglines, and use them in the right order. So start from H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Don't use H1s at the bottom of the page. Remember to have more consistency with the keywords used within the text, so you rank for the target keywords. You've got only 7 broken links, so it's nothing to worry about. But obviously, remember to check for any broken links, but because that can also affect the authority of the website, SEO, and obviously conversion rate as well. Your website loads in over 2 seconds, which is okay. However, majority of the websites right now are loading in under 1 second. I'm not sure if you're still with Squarespace or you moved to Shopify. The majority of the Shopify websites I review currently, because the websites are getting better and better each year. They are loading in 900 milliseconds, so it's under 1 second. So this is the new norm people are expecting. This is something that online visitors are getting used to more and more often. So make sure to work on the website speed, because 2 seconds will become bad user experience in a few years time. So remember to work on the website speed so it loads under 1 second. I hope you liked this audit. If you did, please leave a positive review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. And if you would like to learn how to fix any of the issues mentioned in the audit, how to improve your conversion rate, how to get more traffic and convert more visitors into paying customers, please book a free chat. This 15-minute non-obligation chat with a Shopify expert is available for everyone who booked the audit. So don't miss this opportunity. Ask the Shopify expert any questions you might have about optimization of your online business. Book the chat now. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Bye bye.